Hello my people, you are welcome to my channel. Once again I welcome you. Thank you for returning to my channel. This video is for beginner. Are you a beginner on YouTube and you are still struggling to post your long form video? This is for you. In this video I'm going to hold your hand and take you in the journey of posting your long form video step by step that will enable your video to go viral here on YouTube. Let's go. First step is go to your YouTube app. Open your YouTube app, allow it to load. Click on this plus sign. Did you see this plus sign? That's where we are going to click on. Click on the plus sign. We click on video. We are now in our gallery. This is my own gallery. You now look for the video that you want to upload. Yes, this is the video I want to upload.
Hello, beautiful
Click
people.
on next.
You are welcome.
The first thing you need to do here is to put your title. And the title of this video is how to. So this is the title of the video: how to create a stunning thumbnail as a beginner, 100% free. Then the next thing is click on visibility. This is it, visibility. You have public, you have unlisted, you have private, then you have schedule. The best thing is put it in private to enable you to optimize, to do every necessary thing that you want to set. It's already on private, so leave it like that on private. Move to the next item. The next one is audience. Who are the people that your video is meant for? Is it for kid? If it is for kid, you let them know that it's for kid. If it is not for kid, you click on no, it is not for kid. You have done that. Move out of this page, move to another place. Then the next item is add description. You need to describe what your video is all about. You need to let the algorithm know your video what is talking about. So if you can type it, you type it. And if you want ChatGPT to assist you, you can go to ChatGPT to assist. Just give ChatGPT your title and it will generate a description for you to post here. We are now in ChatGPT. Write the topic here. Writing the topic, I want to paste the topic. You can copy the topic here. Copy, paste it here. Then tell ChatGPT to write. It has given us the description. The next thing is copy the description. Then go back to your YouTube description and start doing your correction. Look at it very, read properly. Yes, we are through with description. Then the next thing is location. Do you want a particular area that you want YouTube to be recommending your video to? If you have, click on location, put the location there, and YouTube will be posting showing your video to the people in that area. Then you add a playlist. If you have video that are related, you can create a playlist. I'll make a video on how to create a playlist very soon. You can create a playlist and put that related video in that playlist. So when they finish watching one of the video related, YouTube will recommend the next one to your audience. Then pay promotion brand. Is your videos on promotion? Is it paid? Is there a paid app? If there is, you click yes. If there is not, you click on no. Then you move out of it. You go to the the next one is collaboration, comments and remix. Collaboration and community. You are to invite a collaborator where you collaborate with other YouTuber, and they'll be showing your video to its audience or our audience, our subscriber, and they'll be showing our own subscriber your own video. If you want it, you can click on it. Then your comments, you can turn off your comments and you can turn on your comment, depends on you. Then the next one is allow video and audio remix. You want people to use your video or to use your audio. If you want them to use your video, you say allow video and audio remix. And if you only allow the audio, click on allow only audio. And if you don't want it at all, don't allow remix. It means you don't allow them to use any of your video for anything, for clip or for reaction or anything. Just click on it, and then move out of here and move to the next, which is use AI. Do you use AI? Is the content is about AI? The video you are showing, is it about AI? If it's about AI, you say yes. But if it's not about AI, you click no. My next one is add tag. If anyone is searching for any topic on YouTube and they click what you have added as a tag, your video will pop up. Now here I'm going to add tag. Now okay, click on next. So with this, you have set up your YouTube video. The next thing is to upload your thumbnail. Before you click on upload, how do you upload a thumbnail? Look at this pencil icon here, the pencil icon here. So that is where you are going to click. You click on the pencil icon, it will take you to your gallery where you pick your thumbnail that you've already prepared. So, and don't forget to click on done. Once you click on done, the thumbnail has already uploaded. Then you move to the next. I said it, don't still leave it in private, then upload and let YouTube work on it first. When YouTube has worked on it, you can now go back and put it in public. If as you are uploading now, it's not going to be showing publicly, but it will still be in your channel. If you remember any mistake or anything that you did not put there, you can come back to correct it. So this is my channel. The video is there in my channel. It's still preparing, so you allow it to process. So after processing, you can now release it to public. So this is how I'm going to leave it. So tomorrow, when I will now put it in public, so it's ready for visibility for people to start watching it. I remain your host. I'm Lawal Kudirat. Feel free to subscribe, like and share. Help my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.